Welcome to the Florida Man's Garage YouTube channel.
So first you're going to take all these speed out and everything, get everything accessible, and then you're going to start taking all these hoses and clamps loose. You just push it on that green one, it pops right off. Tuck it down that way. Then there's your power and all your stuff that plugs in right there. You just undo all that. And then you see these little up here, and take your flathead screwdriver, pop it off. Take your clamp, set it to the side. What's up? Okay, so there's one more of those clamps you gotta press in. It's right here. You're gonna want to use a screwdriver so you get good leverage on it. Just push it right off like that. Okay. Once you get out that, you're gonna have to kind of work this around so you can get it all out of the car. And there you go. Okay, so now you grab your new fuel pump. These like floats, you have to install them. You just want to make sure everything's lined up real good right here. I think this is fuel level. And you want to make sure all your connections are good here. You're gonna there's a cap here that plugs into this fuel line. I think that's your return line. And this is your direct line to the motor. The top. So get everything lined up, get everything clipped into place, make sure everything looks all good in here. Seems to be the case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. We recently changed the fuel pump, so I'm going to leave the old seal in there. It's okay. Just kind of got to work it all in. Try not to bend anything or break the clips here. Everything's real fragile with it. Gonna first connect this line here before you get it down in there. Got it all squared away. So now all that goes down in there like so. So it is very difficult to get all pressed down on. Gonna do is press down on it all. You're gonna want 2 screwdrivers. So one there, you're gonna get your green ring there, you're gonna snap it all into place. You're gonna have to go ahead and get it started just like that. You're going to hit it clockwise and it'll all go in. So just make sure you're going to look around. See all these black clips here? You want to make sure that they're all snapping in here to this green ring, because if they're not, you'll get leaks real bad and it'll smell like gas in your car. That ain't good. So it's going to go in. There's a little bump here, and then there's a little notch there. You want to hit it until both the notch and the bump line up. One more little hit here. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna take this guy, snap him back on, make sure it's on there real good. Now you're gonna take all your stuff here, plug him up. Just like so. Oh, listen for that click. Set this cover back in there. You want to make sure it locks into place. Set everything back just the way you had it. There you go. Now you got your fuel pump installed.